Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am good, but I am very thirsty.
What are you drinking right now?
I am drinking a cup of hot coffee.
I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I need coffee to wake up.
How do you take your coffee?
I drink it black, without sugar.
Black coffee is too bitter for me.
What do you put in your coffee?
I always add milk and 2 spoons of sugar.
That sounds very sweet and creamy.
Yes, it tastes like a warm dessert.
Do you drink espresso or regular coffee?
I prefer regular drip coffee.
Espresso is very strong and fast.
Sometimes I buy a cappuccino at the cafe.
Cappuccinos have a lot of nice milk foam.
Do you ever drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea in the afternoon.
What kind of tea is your favorite?
I really like drinking green tea.
Green tea is very healthy for you.
Yes, it has a lot of antioxidants.
I prefer drinking black tea with lemon.
Hot tea is very relaxing on a cold day.
Do you drink iced tea in the summer?
Yes, iced peach tea is so refreshing.
I like to make sweet tea at home.
Do you use honey or sugar in your tea?
I use honey. It is better for my throat.
I drink chamomile tea before I go to bed.
Does it help you sleep at night?
Yes, it makes me feel very calm.
I should try drinking that tonight.
You will sleep like a baby.
Tea is a very wonderful drink.
Yes, there are so many different flavors.
But water is the most important drink.
I completely agree with you.
How much water do you drink every day?
I try to drink 8 glasses of water.
That is a very good habit.
Sometimes I forget to drink enough water.
I carry a large water bottle with me.
That reminds you to drink all day.
Exactly. Do you like cold water or room temperature water?
I only drink ice-cold water.
I prefer room temperature water.
Cold water hurts your teeth sometimes.
Yes, my teeth are very sensitive.
Do you drink sparkling water?
Yes, the bubbles are very fun to drink.
I squeeze a little lemon in my sparkling water.
That makes it taste like a fancy drink.
Do you ever drink tap water from the sink?
No, I always use a water filter.
Filtered water tastes much cleaner.
Do you like drinking fruit juice?
Yes, I love fresh orange juice in the morning.
Do you squeeze the oranges yourself?
No, I buy it from the supermarket.
I bought a juice machine last month.
That's awesome. What do you make?
I mix apples, carrots, and ginger.
That sounds like a very healthy juice.
It gives me a lot of natural energy.
I prefer making thick smoothies.
What do you put in your smoothies?
I blend bananas, strawberries, and yogurt.
Smoothies are very filling.
Yes, I often drink a smoothie for breakfast.
They're perfect for hot summer mornings.
Sometimes I add some spinach to my smoothie.
Can you taste the green spinach?
No, the fruit hides the taste completely.
I will try to make one tomorrow.
You will love it, I promise.
Do you drink regular cow's milk?
No, I don't drink regular milk anymore.
Why did you stop drinking it?
It makes my stomach feel bad.
Are you lactose intolerant?
Yes, a little bit.
What kind of milk do you drink now?
I drink almond milk or oat milk.
Almond milk has a very nice nutty flavor.
Yes, and oat milk is very creamy.
I use oat milk in my coffee sometimes.
It's a great alternative to dairy.
Do you ever drink warm milk before bed?
No, I only use milk for cereal and smoothies.
When I was a child, I drank warm milk.
My mother always gave me chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk is the best drink for kids.
Even adults love chocolate milk.
You are absolutely right about that.
I could drink a whole glass right now.
Do you ever drink soda?
I try not to, but sometimes I drink cola.
I love drinking soda when I eat pizza.
Yes, pizza and soda go together perfectly.
But soda has too much artificial sugar.
That is why it's bad for your health.
Do you drink diet soda?
No, diet soda tastes very strange to me.
I agree. I don't like the fake sugar taste.
If I want a sweet drink, I choose lemonade.
Lemonade is very sour and sweet.
I like to drink it with a lot of ice.
Do you make your own lemonade at home?
Yes, with fresh lemons, water, and sugar.
Homemade drinks are always the best.
You know exactly what's inside them.
Soda cans have too many chemicals.
Yes, it is better to drink natural things.
I'm trying to cut down on sugar.
It's hard, but it's good for you.
What do you drink when you exercise?
I just drink plain water at the gym.
Do you ever drink sports drinks?
Sometimes if I sweat a lot.
Sports drinks have good electrolytes.
Yes, they help your muscles recover faster.
I like the blue sports drinks.
They look like liquid candy.
Do you ever drink energy drinks?
No, energy drinks make my heart beat too fast.
They have way too much caffeine.
I drank one once and my hands were shaking.
That sounds very dangerous.
It is better to just drink coffee or tea.
Or just get a good night's sleep.
Sleep is the best natural energy.
Students drink a lot of energy drinks.
Yes, to stay awake and study for exams.
I'm glad I'm not a student anymore.
Me too. My body needs rest now.
Drinks really change with the seasons.
What is your favorite winter drink?
I love drinking hot chocolate in the winter.
With little marshmallows on top?
Yes, marshmallows make it so much better.
Hot apple cider is also great in autumn.
Yes, with a little bit of cinnamon.
It smells like the holidays.
What is your favorite summer drink?
I love drinking coconut water in the summer.
Coconut water is very hydrating.
And it tastes like a tropical beach.
I like to drink iced coffee in July and August.
Hot coffee is terrible when you're sweating.
I completely agree with you.
Do you use a straw when you drink cold drinks?
I use a reusable metal straw.
That is very good for the environment.
Plastic straws are very bad for the ocean.
I need to buy a metal straw for myself.
What do you drink when you go to a party?
I usually drink fruit punch or soda.
Do you drink wine with dinner?
Sometimes I have a glass of red wine.
Red wine is good for the heart.
Yes, if you only drink one glass.
I prefer white wine.
White wine is very nice with fish or chicken.
Do you like drinking beer?
Only on a very hot day. A cold beer is nice.
I don't like the taste of beer. It is bitter.
What do you order at a bar?
I usually order a mocktail.
A mocktail has no alcohol in it, right?
Exactly. It's just juice, syrup, and sparkling water.
They are always very colorful and pretty.
Yes, and I don't get a headache the next day.
That is a very smart choice.
I like to wake up feeling fresh.
Drinking water between drinks is a good rule too.
Talking about all these drinks is making me thirsty.
My mouth is getting very dry too.
Would you like to go to a cafe right now?
That is a brilliant idea.
There's a nice cafe at the corner of the street.
Do they sell fresh juice or just coffee?
They sell everything: coffee, tea, and juice.
Perfect. I want to buy an iced green tea.
I think I will get another cup of coffee.
Are you sure? It's your second cup today.
I have a lot of work to do this afternoon.
Okay, you need the caffeine to focus.
Let's walk over there. I will pay for the drinks.
No, let me pay this time. You are my friend.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I'm ready when you are.
Let me grab my coat and my bag.
I'll open the door for you.
Thank you. Let's go get our drinks.
Let's go. It was great talking to you.